Okay, for part C, we're going to do the same process. We can see that the domain is the interval from -4 to 4. We can see that we will change behavior with the absolute values at -3 and at +3. So we need to make sure that we make 3 pieces for this piecewise function in disguise. So if we break it up, we've got the things that are less than -3, which would make this negative and this positive. So the first one will change sign, and the second one will be left alone. If I simplify that, I get a -x minus an x is a -2x, and I get a -3 plus a 3 gives me a 0. If I now look in between -3 and 3, say at 0, this will be positive and this will also be positive. So both items will be left alone. Now if I combine, I will get an x minus an x, which is 0, and a 3 plus a 3, which is a 6. After 3, say at +4, this will be positive, so left alone, whereas this one will be negative, so we will need to change its sign by multiplying by a -1. If I simplify, I'll have an x plus an x is 2x, and a 3 plus a -3, which will give me 0. This is the case when x is less than or equal to -3. Then here we're between a -3 and 3, and afterwards we are larger than 3. So again, like in part A and B, we can take the derivatives, find the critical points, and then sketch the picture so that we can see where the highs and lows are, or we can use the fact that this is linear and it'll be pretty easy to sketch the picture right now. So if I sketch the picture, we know from 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Probably won't have to go up past that. We know our domain's going to start at -4. So if I plug in a -4, that's this branch, which would give us a +8. So I'll go up to +8. Then I'm on this line, -2x, until -3. So at -3, I end up at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm on the horizontal piece at 6 until +3. And then I get to be on the branch of 2x from 3 to 4. So we can see that I have a max at 4, 8, another max at -4, 8, and I've got mins of 6 all along here. So the absolute max is 8, and it occurs at x equals -4 or +4, and the absolute min is 6, and it occurs on the entire interval from -3 to 3.